New day, new place. As promised, I'm going to show you the drone shots. This is the day 4 of our Thailand trip. I've already shown you by land, by foot, the footages that we've already taken. So that video was long. So I've decided to give you a separate video, the whole Fifi Island tour by drone. So right now, where we started from, the beach that I stood on, is where your landing is going to be, Tonsai Pier. Okay, that's where your ferry is going to come, drop you there, and from there 200 meters is we have taken a room. Okay, so we've come down early in the morning to get some sunrise shots, but unfortunately, sun is missing today. It's hiding somewhere. Okay, so decided to send the drone to this point which my eyes could see. I thought it's only about 500 meters from the beach, but unfortunately I was wrong. It took 2 kilometers for me to get there, and the signals got weak. So I had to turn around here. Otherwise, I wanted to circle around that rock and then come back. But if you do look at these mountains, this side, the other side, and all, I think the whole casualty what should have happened in Thailand could have it was prevented because of these mountains. I believe. But if you look at these are all sharp edges, new. I think it could have been a rock slide. That's why it's like that. Otherwise, it would be dark. If it was ages old, the color would have been different. Look at this. I brought the drone back. Once I brought it back, then only I got to know that this small strip of land is what separates the ocean, like what we've seen in Diglipur in Andaman. Okay, this was devastated during tsunami time. But what I didn't know was the 5-star properties here were class. I don't know. See, from the land, from the eyesight level, what can you see? This is what you see if you have a drone. So go ahead and buy it. If you don't want to buy it, you see my videos. That's all I will tell you. So I've brought it back only to realize that it's a small strip. So we walked on the right, we walked on the left, and I'm taking you further up. You see at 11 o'clock. These are the boats which bring you from Phuket. Big ferries as such, 2-hour drive. They bring. This is how it is. So there are lots of speedboats. You got long tail boats. Now when it's spun the camera around, the drone around, you see that the further up, the big rock, that is where I had taken it. Now from here, if you look at it, it looks totally different. The color of the water is different from this side to the other side. Wow. Something amazing that I could not even think about it. I'm glad that I did pick up the drone. The first year of my travel, all India, non-stop. I didn't have it. I thought, what difference will it make? Now I realize it would have made a huge difference when I went to places like Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, and all this stuff. Okay, so don't be confused if it does come down to purchase of equipments and all that. This only will help you to enhance your vision. It will help you to see things better. It'll give you an opportunity to pay more attention to where you are, what you are. Even if the footage is not there, you'll remember this the rest of your life because you're paying attention to each and every detail as such. Not only have I seen it and come back, now what am I doing? I'm editing this, so this is going to be a lifelong memory for me. I will be able to tell people if they have any questions as such, maybe 10 years down the line also. Okay, so this is one shot I wanted to take, just spin around me on the beach that we are in, the small strip of land, which you can't make out if you are actually looking at it from the eyesight view. From here, let me take you to a Monkey Beach. So, where is the Monkey Beach? I could not show you Monkey Beach by drone because they didn't let me fly the drone there because of the monkeys. Stupid. The monkeys were better than the humans. These human monkeys are bad. This is the Maya Bay that, for your information, that you see here, you are not allowed to get into the water. One, okay, and this got famous because of James Bond movie which was shot here. Ever since it was shot, people thronged, and come down here. It's like a fish market here. The place that you can actually see is only a small strip of land. But what you should be seeing, actually, I will turn around. But from the beach, you should be able to see a beautiful sight. 2 big mountains in between. Actually, wait. This, look on the right, look on the left. That's a view that you will get. But unfortunately, I wanted to bring the drone back and fly it again. But unfortunately, they said you can't fly the drone. Illiterate people who are managing the beach as such, you can fly the drone. It only improves their tourism. If probably I end up having more than 10 million subscribers, people will get to know more and people will come. and but idiots, you can't help it. Here, if you look at the number of people here, every hour people come and go, because only 1 hour they will permit you to stay here, because that's the rules of the the boat provider, the tour provider, to say so. Okay, so from here we will head back to the footage by foot. It's already there in the video. This is another place. I'm not sure which place is this, because on a 4 island tour you will do get an opportunity where you can just sit on the boat. You can go for snorkeling and all that. I took the opportunity when people are snorkeling. I took the opportunity of flying the drone up, seeing how it is. The landscape is amazing. Is really amazing as such. Only if you try this by yourself, you will understand what I'm saying. Look at the number of boats coming into this place. It's you. There's no limit to the boats. You should actually, you know what? I would suggest, don't take the speed boat. Take the long tail boat. Okay, the power that this generates, and I mean, you definitely will save on the price. Okay, but this gives you more feel than the speedboat. Speedboat, you don't feel anything as such. Even the speed, you can't feel it. Okay, so that's how it is in the speedboat. Come down here; it will work out cheaper. And look at this. This is what I like about the Andaman Sea. This is Andaman Sea basically. Okay, it is much better. If you've not visited, go to Andaman first. There you can get into water. Here you can only be on water, in the sense, in the boat. Okay, or you have to take the life jacket to get into the water as such. But there, for somebody like me who doesn't know swimming, you can actually get into the water and go for a swim, because you can see how deep it is. It's not deep enough. I mean, in Havelock, I walked 2-3 kilometers into the sea, and the water was only knee deep. Okay, in that water, where will I drown? Correct. So this is how it is. It's beautiful. I would say that come down. If you come down to Thailand, do visit this place. It's amazing. Look at the water down. You can see everything. You can see in the footage that I've shown you earlier, part 1 series. You do see it. Okay, it will be in the playlist. I've caught in the camera the fishes going around my camera as such. So I'll see you in a new day, new place. Maybe I will take you to Krabi by ferry. I'll show you how that's going to be. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Bye from Fifi.